How AI is transforming your finance. What if I told you that starting today, you never have to manually track your expenses ever again? No more spreadsheets, no more guessing where your money went, no more stress at the end of the month. Because right now, AI is quietly taking over one of the biggest headaches in our financial lives: budgeting. Imagine an assistant that studies your spending patterns, detects hidden costs, cancels unused subscriptions, and gives you weekly financial insights automatically without you lifting a finger. This isn't the future. This is happening right now. And in today's video, we're going to break down exactly how AI is reshaping personal finance and how you can use it to take full control of your money, starting this week. Imagine a world where managing your household finances feels effortless. No more endless spreadsheets, no tracking expenses manually, no guesswork at the end of the month trying to figure out where your money disappeared. Today, with the rapid rise of artificial intelligence technologies, that world is no longer a future prediction. It's happening right now. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is fundamentally changing how we handle money. From automated savings suggestions to expense tracking and personalized budgeting plans. This video explores how AI technologies are transforming the very act of budgeting, particularly by automating weekly household finances, giving millions of people around the world a smarter way to manage their money. We'll dive into how AI works behind the scenes, what specific features make this possible, real-world tools you can start using today, and practical insights on how to get the most out of these innovations. Budgeting has always been a necessary yet painful part of financial life. Traditionally, people have relied on manual methods like pen and paper ledgers, spreadsheet tools like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, or even mental notes to keep track of income and expenses. These methods require constant attention and a disciplined mindset, something that most of us struggle with in our busy lives. Add to that the fact that financial patterns change constantly. Seasonal bills, fluctuating utility costs, irregular income flows, and suddenly, the simple act of planning where your money will go becomes a complex task. Traditional methods are inherently limited because they depend on manual input and human adjustment. You must record every expense, categorize it yourself, and then try to interpret the data to make future financial decisions. Even seasoned finance experts can make mistakes or miss subtle spending patterns that could save money if caught early. This is where automation and intelligent computing can step in to fill the gaps that manual systems leave behind. AI budgeting tools use advanced machine learning and pattern recognition to take over many tasks that used to be manual and time-consuming. At the core of these systems is the ability to automatically categorize transactions without you ever having to type a thing. When your bank or credit card account is linked, the AI parses every single transaction. It figures out what category each purchase belongs to: groceries, utilities, dining out, transportation, or entertainment, even when the purchase descriptions are cryptic. It goes a step further than simple rule-based categorization. These systems learn from your behavior. The AI studies your spending patterns over time. It notices which categories tend to spike during certain seasons, which bills are recurring, and when extra expenses typically occur. And because of this continuous learning, it becomes more accurate with each week that passes. With historical data, the budgeting AI can also project future spending. For example, if your heating bill tends to increase during winter months or travel expenses spike during holiday seasons, the AI can adjust your budget preemptively. This predictive capability helps users avoid overspending before it becomes a real problem, rather than reacting to it after the fact. Today's AI budgeting tools don't just manage data, they provide actionable insights and real, practical automation capabilities that you can use every day. One of the most valuable features is real-time fraud detection. AI tools analyze spending patterns and flag suspicious transactions within seconds. If something suddenly appears out of character, like an unusually large purchase or an unexpected overseas charge, users get alerts immediately. giving them a chance to act before losses escalate. Another powerful aspect is hidden cost discovery. Many of us are subscribed to services we barely use. Whether it's a forgotten streaming service, overlapping subscriptions, or auto-renewals we didn't notice. These small leaks can add up to hundreds of dollars each month. AI systems can highlight these overlaps by comparing patterns and pointing out subscriptions or recurring charges that significantly overlap or are unusually high. Some AI apps go beyond tracking and categorization and actually suggest ways to save money. By comparing weekly spending trends with your baseline, the system can highlight categories where expenses have increased and offer recommendations. For example, suggesting you cut back on discretionary categories when it detects a consistent upward trend. All of these features work together to reduce the time you spend managing finances while increasing the accuracy and quality of your budget planning. If you're curious about where to start, there are several AI-powered platforms that have proven effective for weekly financial automation. One set of tools combines automated insights with user-friendly interfaces to help people manage their budgets without stress. Tools like Clio, Rocket Money, and Hopper have grown in popularity for their ability to automate weekly budgeting tasks, helping users save anywhere from $80 to $500 per year. Just by using the tool's insights to cut unnecessary spending and spot saving opportunities early. If you want more robust tracking and real-time monitoring, options like Pocketsmith, Mint, and Senior Analytics offer comprehensive systems that monitor transactions in real time, show budget health at a glance, and allow more detailed customization based on individual financial goals. Many of these platforms also come with mobile apps and personalized alerts, so you get nudges and insights on the go, whether you're at home or out shopping. Instead of waiting until the end of the week or month to reconcile your finances, these tools help you stay informed as events happen. The power of continuous personalization. Modern AI systems not only track numbers, they learn from you. This makes AI different from traditional budgeting methods. Through machine learning algorithms, your personal spending habits, seasonal variations, and even external factors like rising utility costs are analyzed. The AI then creates tailored financial insights specific to your situation. This continuous learning means your budgeting assistant becomes more intelligent over time. It begins to anticipate routine patterns and make suggestions that are uniquely relevant to you, rather than applying generic budgeting rules. For instance, if you consistently spend more on groceries during certain weeks, the AI may recommend adjustments that help you stay within your overall financial goals without sacrificing essentials. AI is reshaping how we approach money, not just in big corporations or investment firms, but in everyday lives. From automated transaction categorization and weekly insights to advanced fraud detection and hidden cost discovery, these tools can save time, money, and stress. The age of manual budgeting spreadsheets is fading. In its place is intelligent, automated budgeting that adapts to you, learns from you, and helps you make the most of every dollar you earn. Whether you're financially savvy or just starting your budgeting journey, AI tools can give you clarity and confidence in how you manage your finances. By embracing these technologies, you're not only saving time, you're gaining a smarter way to build financial stability for the weeks, months, and years ahead.